Welcome to term 3. I'm in the chapel and it looks a lot different than it did at the end of term 2. It's undergone a transformation over the course of the last couple of weeks as we get ready for Seussical the Musical, our junior school musical that is going to open here on campus next week. And for me, it's just one of the things that has characterised what's been an extraordinary 3 weeks. We finished the end of term 2 at the National Wine Centre in Adelaide for our first ever Borders reunion that brought back several hundred people from all over the country who got back together in a way that reconnected with their boarding experience here at the school, an extraordinary community event. Over the past couple of weeks, we've had Year 8 students with Miss Grave in a Cows for Cambodia service learning experience out of CM Rep. We've had football teams and netball teams on tours around the country, with our girls being the runner-up in the Waverley International Netball Competition in Melbourne. There's been an enormous amount of work that's been going on site to prepare for what's going to be an extraordinary 3 months of school as we run through to the end of the year. We're going to be finishing up all of our winter seasons. Our key sports on Saturdays and in the evenings are coming to the pointy end of their seasons as the term rolls through. As we get to the middle of the term, we'll be celebrating the Torrens Park School musical, Mary Poppins, that'll be held at the Queen's Theatre. And we're going to have a group of 160 Year 12 students who are working through their final term of schooling. I look forward to sharing that journey with you in coming weeks. I'll hope to see you around in queues at cafeterias, at performance nights, or on Saturdays. And even though it might be a little bit cold and we might be there in our puffy jackets, it will all be good. I look forward to seeing...
Why don't you wear this, Mr. Driver? This will keep you warm.
Thanks. I look forward to seeing you around as the term unfolds.